There's a key difference between saying something like the fat, smelly cat and the fat polar bear. In this first situation, we do want a comma here. And in the second, we don't. And the reason is because fat and smelly, when describing the cat, are coordinate adjectives, are interchangeable adjectives. I can say the smelly fat cat. I can't switch fat and polar bear. I can't say the polar fat bear. That doesn't make any sense. But I can say the smelly fat cat. And it has to do with the fact that the noun you can think of is polar bear. It is that phrase.
So the assassinator is basically a function. We can just plug in numbers and call it a day.
First, outside, inside.
What?
I'm exponential.
Put that into your navigation system.
You saved us, Callion. I am 10 to the 1 million.
Whoa! So we can 99% of the time get rid of answers like these.
Ha! Gnarly!
Oh, fire fact.
X equals negative B.
Gotta go. Bye.